Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session we'll see how to find out the rank of word Mississippi. In the next session we'll see how to find out the rank of the same word using the shortcut method. So let's go back and try to find out the rank of the word Mississippi. So for that, you know, the first step what I have to do is I have to write them in alphabetical order. So let's go and write these letters of the word in alphabetical order. I have 4 I's starting in alphabetical order. First I's will come. There are 4 I's. After that I have I, J, K, L, M. After that I have 2 P's. Then afterwards I have 4 S. So we can see very clearly it's a 11 letter word, out of which there are 4 I's and 1 M and 2 P's and 4 S. Let's write it down somewhere so that we can refer to that. We will write down I equal to 4, M equal to 1, P equal to 2, S equal to 4. So we know how they are repeating, so that when we have to take out the repetitions, we know what we have to divide with, so that it will become very easy. Okay, let's go back now. We will start with I. So I want the rank of the word dictionary. That means I want the rank of the word Mississippi in the dictionary. That means I have to cross through I, then only I will go to M. So first I want to finish all the words which are starting with I, because my first letter in Mississippi is M. I have to cross through all I's. So I will write down I starting with, the meaning of this is all the words which are starting with I. If I is fixed, it's a 11 letter word. We know that it's a 11 letter word. Out of that, 1 letter is fixed. So remaining slots to be filled is 10 slots. So I will write down I factorial 10 divided by, now how many repetitions I have? 1 I is already gone here. That means 3 I's are left out. So can I say factorial 3? There are 2 P's, so I have to divide by factorial 2, and there is 4 S. I have to divide by factorial 4. We'll do the calculation afterwards. So once we are done with I, then we will go to M. But we want M, so we will cross M. We'll come back to the starting point again. We see I, we want I, so we'll strike off I also. Now again we will come back to the starting point. We see MII, but what we want is MIS. So I have to cross MII, MIP, then only I can go to MIS. So let's go ahead and try to find out how many letters are there which are starting with, how many words are there which are starting with letters MII. So MII are 3 letters which are done out of 11. That means 8 slots to be filled. That is factorial 8 divided by. Now if you see here, 2 I's are gone out of 4. That means I have 2 I's to be taken care. 2 P's are already there with me, and I have those 4 S. So it's nothing but factorial 8 by factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 4. After MII, I will be moving to MIP. We will move to MIP. Again, MIP are 3 letters are covered out of 11. 8 slots to be filled, that is 8 factorial divided by 1 I is gone. That means there are 3 I's. There are 4 S. So divide by factorial 4. Out of 2 P's, 1 is gone. That means there are no repetitions. There is only 1 P left out. That's nothing but MIP. Now once I cross MIP, I will be going to MIS. So immediately I will strike off S, because I want MIS. So again I have to go back to the starting point now. I see that MISI, but what I want is MISS. So I have to find out MISI how many can be. So I'll write down here. I will say MISI. How many? MISI are 4 letters. So left out is 7 slots to be filled. That is factorial 7 divided by 2 I's are there. 2 i's are already here, so left out is 2. 2 factorial for i's. And 1 s is gone. There are 3 s left out. So can I say factorial 3 for s. And 2 p's are already there. So that's nothing but mi si. So once we are done with mi si, so mi si, I will be going to misp. Remember what I want is MISS. So to go there I have to cover MISI and MISP. Again when I go to MISP, 11, 4 are done. That means I have factorial 7. And 1 I is gone. That means 3 i's are there. 1 s is gone. That means 3 s are there. 1 p is already there. So p's will not be repeating anymore. It's nothing but factorial 7 by factorial 3 into factorial 3. Now, once we got MISP, then we will go to MISS. That is what I want. So I will strike off yes. I will again come back. I see that I is there. Oh, I is also there. So I will strike it off. Again I will come back. There I see I, but what I want is yes. So what we will have next now? MI, yes, yes, I, and I will have another I. This is where we are now. So out of 11 now 6 slots are filled. We have to take care of 5. So can I write down factorial 5 there? Left out. Factorial 5 divided by. So there are 2 s are here. Total is 4. So there is factorial 2 for s. And 3 i's are gone. Only 1 I is left out. No repetition there. But 2 p's are there. So can I do factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. After that we have MISSI. After that I have P. Then only I can go to S. So my next will be, I'll just try to move this side so that it's easy for us. Let me write down here. Next we will move to MISSIP. So that is equal to, again factorial 5. Because 6 slots are already fixed, 5 to be fixed out of 11. 5 in factorial 5 is divided by how many repetitions? Total s are 4, 2 s are over, so factorial 2. 2 i's are over, so again 2 i's are left out. So that's nothing but factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. Now once we cross MISSIP, I will be going to S. That means this s and that s will cancel. Then I will have MI, yes, yes, I. Instead of P we got S now. Once we got S, again we have to start back and we see that there is an I there. So it will be MISSISI. That's nothing but MISSI. Now let us see how many repetitions will be there. Total 7 slots are already fixed. That means we have to take care of 4. That is factorial 4 divided by 3s. 3 i's are there. That means no repetitions with I and s. But there are 2 p's to be taken care, which is nothing but equal to 2 factorial. That is factorial 4 divided by factorial 2. Now let's go to the next one. So once we have MISSISI, I will be going to next SP. So I will write down here MISSIS and P. So for that again 7 slots are already booked. So 4 slots to be filled. And what we have there in repetition, we have 2 i's are gone. That means I have 2 i's left out. S's are already 3 over, so no repetition there. 1 p is there, so there is no repetition. So that's nothing but equal to again factorial 4 divided by factorial 2. Now once we got MISSISP, next I will be going to MISSISS. So once I get yes, I will go back and strike it out. Again I will come back to the starting point. I see there is an I want I, so I will strike it off. Next after that I want P, but again I will come back. I see that there is one more I left out for me. So I will go back and write it down as now MISSISI, yes, yes, I, That is what it is. MISSI. And for that, how many? We have 4, 7, 9. So out of 11, 9 slots are booked, 2 slots are left out. And if I see the repetitions, there are 4 I's and 4 S. Everything is covered, but there are no 2 P's. That means P's are repeating. So I'll divide with factorial 2. Now, then once we cross that MISSI, then I will going to P. I need P, so I will cancel P. I will again come back to the I, but what I want is P. So I will be writing down that. I'll just move little bit. That will be nothing but MISSI, P, but the last one is I again, because we will be going to the first position. So in this position, how many we will have? 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means only one slot to be filled. That's nothing but equal to 1. So when we go to the last one, because one slot to be filled there, 10 are there, only one slot to be filled, that is nothing but factorial 1. So in the last, when I go, the next time what will happen? This is our last step. What will happen at the end? Once I cross the PI, I will be going to P. I will cancel P. Again I'll come back. I will cancel I. That means that is my last word. That last word, that's nothing but MISSI, PI, Mississippi, which is equal to 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find out all these values one by one, and we will add them up, and we will see what is the rank of that. I know this is not in a neat structured order, but let us see how best what we can do now. Now for the calculations, we'll take another color so that we can see that easily. Okay, let's take some yellow color. Okay, I'll do the calculations. Factorial 10 by factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 4. That's what I have to do first now. So I will write down 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4. Can I write down that? Into factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 3, which is equal to 3 into 2. Again factorial 2, which is equal to 2. Factorial 4 cancels. 3 2s are 6 gone. 2 will go 4 times. I'll do this multiplication. 10 9s are 9. 90. 94s are 360. 360 into 7 is 2520. 2520 into 5, that's equal to 12,600. So this value is equal to 12,600. Now let's go to the next one. That's about the first one value what we got. Now let's go to the second one. Second one is factorial 8. Can I write it as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 2, which is 2, and again multiply with 2. Factorial 4 cancels. I will have 2 2s are 4. That will go in 2 times in 8. 2 7s are 14. 14 6 are 84. 84 5s are 420. So this value is equal to 420. Now let's go to the next one. That is for 2. We will go to the 3 now. For 3 we want factorial 8 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 4. So that is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 divided by factorial 4 into 3 into 2. Factorial 4 will cancel. 3 2s are 6 gone. We have 8 7s are 56. 56 5s are 280. So that value is equal to 280. Now next is factorial 7 by factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 2. Okay, so 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 3, which is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Factorial 3 cancels, 3 2s are 6 gone. We have 7 5s are 35 and 35 4s are, which one we are doing? I think we just missed one. Anyway, we will calculate this. This is nothing but equal to 140. So where is this 140? This is for 5, right? So we'll keep the number as 5 and this is equal to 140. I just missed the earlier one. I will do that one too. That is factorial 7 by factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 2. That is for number 4. That is factorial 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 divided by, we have factorial 2 is 2, factorial 3 is 3 into 2 and again factorial 2 is 2. I have factorial 3 and factorial 3 will cancel. We have 2 and 2 will going away in 4. Left out is 7 into 6 into 5, which is equal to 210. So this value is equal to 210. Now after this, these are simple. We can directly do that. We don't need any calculations. Factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. Factorial 5 is 120. 120 by 4 is 30. There we go. And the next guy is factorial 5 by again factorial 2 into factorial 2. That is again 30. One more. Factorial 4 by factorial 2. Factorial 4 is 24 and by 2, that's equal to 12. Then we have one more factorial 4 by factorial 2, that is equal to another 12. Then factorial 2 by factorial 2 is 1 and the last are one more 1. So let's add them now. I will write down all of them at one particular place. After that we will add them. So let me write down at a convenient place. We'll start with first, that is 12,600. So I'll write down 12,600 plus 420 plus 280. I will write down 420 plus 280 plus, do we have anything there? No. We have 210, 140, 330. 210, we have 140, then we have 130 here. So I'll put a tick mark there so that I don't go to them again. That is done. Then we are left out with 30, 2 12s and 3 1s. So can I write down there 30 and 2 12s and 3 1s. One more 30, then we have 2 12s and after that we have 3 1s, which is equal to 3. So let's add it now. 12,600 plus 420, 13,020, 13,300, 13,510, 650, 680, 710, 722, 734 and 737. So the rank of Mississippi is 13,737. You can check it back and see whether the rank is correct or not. In the next session we will do that using shortcut method. We will directly put them in the alphabetical order and we will write down 0 factorial and we will take care of the repetitions and we will finish it quickly when compared to this one. So that's how we find out the rank of Mississippi. We did lot of examples, like we did success, we did mother, we did chemistry, we did so many examples. This is one more example which is a little bit lengthier, but if you are interested you can easily try this out. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.